Thank you, you too. Alright. Got our boba drinks. Got one for Martin. Starting our ride here from Baldwin Park. Leisure ride today. What's up, Kevin? Hey, good bud.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Let's start our 25 to 30 mile journey. Leisure ride with the boys. Alright, we made it. Just within like 7 minutes or so. Cruising on by here, entering Santa Fe Dam. Some Renaissance fair going on here. But obviously we're not going to enter the park without paying the fees. We're just going to be in the outside looking in. Look at all those cars. Yeah, no, the Renaissance Fair, I think it's on that side of the park. I think. Have you been to one? I know, but we can't go in though, I don't think. Can't go in without paying the fees. Alright, we're gonna look for a good spot to break and drink our bobas pretty much, but also try to get a good look of the Renaissance Fair. Alright, there it is. I'm riding the Ariel Rider for now, and Martin's gonna give a try with my stealthbomber bike. Greg, you want to lead? You remember? Yeah, you do. You remember it, it's just past the bridge.
I know what you mean by half throttle.
Yeah, it's not a full throttle.
Yeah.
Alright, Martin's giving it a go. I mean, he's a surron rider, so I kind of trust him. Are you on 5?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It feels fast, right? Ever since I added that sprocket, yeah, my chain, you could feel that some positions are off, you know? Like there's a grind, you know? Alright, max throttle, ready, set, go. Bye-bye. That's an enduro bike there, stealth bomber. And he's gone. They're gone. So yeah, my top speed on that enduro bike is 55 miles per hour. And obviously this Ariel Rider here is only around 32, 35 miles per hour in good days. We're at the Peck Road Park, Conservation Park, and we're gonna do the Emerald Necklace Loop Trail. Wow, are they actually biking down the water? Alright, we have now arrived at El Monte Airport. We're gonna take a break here. Maybe a 2 to 5 minute break, take some pictures, and yeah, just catch up with folks. Want to give this a try, Kevin? See what it feels like? Okay, just don't go over 45. That's when it starts to get bouncy. It's just a twist throttle. That's it, and you're already at level 5. You can just ease into it.
Does it have pedal sensor?
No,
okay.
No pedal assist. So sorry it's short right now for you. Yours still look brand new, man.
How do you...
You clean it?
No.
You don't, damn.
Still go off-roading.
It self-cleans. Alright, last look of the airport. We're going to be leaving. Yeah, we're going to complete this Emerald Loop. Hopefully there's no more floods. Otherwise, our wheels are going to be a little bit dirty. Over there on the other side, there's some little dips that had flood last week. We had to go over the water, but it's been a week, so hopefully it kind of dried out. So we'll see. Now approaching Whittier. Going through the underneath this freeway here. It should be the 60 freeway. And then we're gonna start to head north again on the bike path towards El Monte, and then La Puente, and then back at Baldwin Park area pretty shortly here. I saw an Indiegogo bike by they call themselves Splash or Splach. They call it the cross bike. It's like a cross of like a dirt bike and a cafe racer. It looks pretty nice. I like the frame of it. Inside there's like a big battery space if you ever wanted to upgrade it, and it also comes with like a bag as well. And the other thing too is right now it's only $1,600. So that part I think is really appealing in Indiegogo. Most prices are really good on Indiegogo because they are a startup project. But Splach Company has, they've been around for a while. They focus on scooters and other e-bikes that they've had. I'm really digging the frame overall. All the other features like signals, it even has speakers on it. Those are all just bonuses. I like the front fork. It looks like it's high up. I like this seat that it kind of protrudes downwards towards the front of the bike. So I think to me that's like a comfortable ride in my opinion. Like not at a steep angle, but at least like it's kind of on a steady decline, a gradual decline. I kind of like that aspect. But also I really like that it has mag wheels. Obviously it's just a 750 watt bafang motor, but I think at least the rear could be upgraded. But I'm still really looking forward to someone making a strong rear wheel, like at least 3,000 watt to 5,000 watt rear hub that's on magnesium wheel. That would be really nice in my opinion. I wouldn't hesitate to buy that. Which bike I would put it on, I don't, it doesn't, maybe Ariel Rider or the Super73, but I definitely like mag wheels overall on the bike. Comment below what you guys think, but I'm really thinking of pre-ordering one, but again, right now we're still trying to get rid of bikes. I don't know. It is a Chinese brand frame probably, but honestly, most frames, 90% bike frames are from China from what I know, but it really looks like it has good suspensions in the front and the rear. And it looks like it's a really customizable bike, and that's what I like about that one. Comment below what you guys think about it, but it's a pretty sweet deal at around $1,600 on Indiegogo. So something I'm considering for sure. One day I really want to go off-roading here. Take the trails that the horse trails are taking. I think it would be a good adventure for sure. I'm gonna take the tail end, let Greg lead for a while. Alright. So sunset's passed, obviously. It was like such a warm day, but we thought the nighttime would be warm as well, but that's not the case. It's still pretty chilly. So we've gone about 20 mile now. It's gonna be in our last 10 mile here. Complete a 30-mile ride. Freaking Kevin, I can't believe he's not cold. He's just wearing one t-shirt and shorts. He's probably pedaling to keep himself warm too. Alright, there's some spots here where, there's the water. Woo! Be careful. So follow Greg and ride slow, okay? Yikes. Some water spots. Woo! Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow. That was like at least a feet of, there's gonna be one more. Man, there's still some low spots where it's flooded. Yikes. Oh my gosh, there's rocks. Holy smokes, I almost slipped out. There's rocks. I think that's it. That's why we didn't make a meetup ride.
Yeah.
We were going to, but we're like, oh, we can't. There's too much still obstacles. Yeah. And we weren't sure that the Santa Fe Dam would be open because of, again, the Renaissance Fair.
Yeah.
But it's good that they allow us up there. Getting pretty dark. We're pretty much heading our way back to Missy. That's going to be today's e-bike adventure, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73, an Ariel Rider, or a DIY bafang kit. Again, thank you for your support. That's a wrap. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.